everybody, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and in today's video I am going to talk about 5 habits you should have as a programmer. Number 1. Make your code as readable as book. Use long descriptive names. Divide the code into logical subroutines. Keep it simple when possible. There are no points for complicated one-liner solutions. Number 2. Follow 3 steps. First, make it work. Then make it right. Then make it fast and beautiful. Number 3. Spend a lot of time reading and understanding a complex piece of code you might be interacting with. Jumping to code when you do not understand what's happening around will almost always result in an inefficient solution. You will end up saving time. Number 4. Use debuggers extensively. Understand input first. Put a breakpoint. Play around with methods on your input. Sandbox. Quickly implement a solution in the watch console section instead of rerunning the whole program again and again. Debug. Understand the state of program and fix it up. Number 5. Write tests a lot. It's better to fail early and fix the program than fail in production. Every time you refactor, change or add to your code, your tests will make sure you did not regress. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell, you start getting notifications of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.